Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today's tutorial is Everplay on Venom Testnet. So we are going to tap on complete task to get started. So the first thing is to follow Everplay on Twitter. We are going to tap on that human icon to go to Twitter. Now I'm on Twitter, I'm going to tap on that follow button. Then I'll return to the testnet website. Then I'll tap on check to confirm if the follow is successful. It is done. Then we'll move on to the next task, which is to buy Venom Pass on Everplay. So I'll tap on that everplay.gg to go to their website, or you can tap on the other arrow at the far right. So we're on the website now. You want to ensure you are on desktop mode to be able to use the website. So you tap on Venom Wallet to connect to your Venom Wallet, and then tap on Venom Chrome extension. Tap on connect. So now I am logged into the website, and then you can see Venom Pass out of the other passes that are listed here. Tap on Venom Pass, that is what we came here to buy. And then you tap on buy now button. It costs about 5 cents, 0.05 worth of Venom Testnet tokens. Enter your password and confirm the transaction. So at this point, at the point of making this video, it was loading for a very long time. I had to refresh my browser. Then after refreshing my browser, I returned to the testnet website. So we have been able to purchase the Venom Pass, and you can see it has been marked as done. And then lastly, we are going to mint our Venom NFT for participating in Everplay task. So I'll tap on mint NFT and I'll confirm that in my wallet, and you can see it is processing here. This one also took a very long time before the minting was successful, but eventually it was successful, and here is our NFT for participating in Everplay. Then we'll go back to the Venom website, the Venom Testnet website itself, and you can see we have done all the available tasks at the moment. So this is the end of today's tutorial. If you have any questions, do drop me a comment in the comment section. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.